Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to install GitHub Copilot and OpenAI Codex in VS Code. So first we will install these two extensions in VS Code, then we will learn how to use this. So let's get started. So I have opened VS Code. Now let's go to here in the extension section. So search for GitHub Copilot. First I will install GitHub Copilot, then I will install Codex. So this is the extension of GitHub Copilot Chat. So I have already installed this, so I will just enable this extension. But if you are installing for the first time, then you can sign in with your Gmail account or you can sign in with your GitHub. It will give you option to select GitHub sign in or Gmail sign in. So you can select any of the option. So let's enable this extension. So I have enabled the extension and now let's search for chat. So this is the chat section. So this is the interface of GitHub Copilot, and now let's search this. So our Copilot is activated now, and here is the answer. So this is GitHub Copilot, and here are some of the options like agents. So these are the options like agent, task, and plan. So these are the three options available in Copilot like agent, task, and plan. So agent is for our customization, like agent can directly access our files and can change our code. And the ask is for the ask section, like we can ask something related to our code and external knowledge. So this is ask will not change our code. And in the plan section we can implement a plan, we can draw out a plan in a proper structure document or in markdown format. So these are the three options of Copilot. So one by one let's explore these three options. Let's understand with example. So let's first use this ask. So first I will use this ask tool, and now I will just ask. So this is the answer. Like I have just asked how do we use decorator in Python with class. So this is the answer. This has no impact on our code. Our code is just remain the same. There is the answer like ChatGPT. We can answer the question related to anything. So this is in the ask. And now let's understand the plain section. So so I have just asked logging system in chatbot. So this gives me idea and asking for start implementation. And now let's use the agent section, agent tool. So let's use this agent tool. So I have just write the create fast API and with get and post method with user login. So let's see whether it will able to create fast CPI or not. So it's accessing my current folder. This is the file it has created. You can see this file here. So this is the file. This file is created in src folder. So this is the agent tool. We can create a file and update file with agent tool. So if I click this skip, then our code will save. So these two files it has created, like requirement.txt and app.py. So these are three tools we can use in Copilot, and we can also change these models here. Like these models available like GPT-5 mini, and these are paid models like Claude models and Report mini. We can also connect MCP server with this. And we have some personalization options also here. So these are the options available here. Like we can change the prompting of agent ask and plan. We can update this from here. And this is the skills sections. So these are the instruction before Copilot take action in updating any files. And these are the instruction also. So we can explore these things also. And MCP servers. We can add plugins. Plugins are extended AI agent that we can add in our Copilot. Let's install Codex. So let's close this. Go to extension and search for Codex. So this is the extension Codex for OpenAI agent. Let's install this. So Codex is installed now, and let's go to chat section. So this is I have already signed in here, but you can sign in with your mobile number or Gmail. So I have already signed in, so it has continued from there. So these are the chats we can see from here. These are the three chats. So this is the interface of Codex. It's similar to Copilot, but there are some changes. Like these are the permissions. Auto review full access. It can access our full code and folders and auto review. So these are the default. I have selected to default permissions, and the models available here like GPT 5.5, and these are the GPT models available, and high, medium, and low reasoning options, and the IDE context include context from IDE such as selection state and open files. So these are options, and these have also plan mode, pursue mode, and include ID context. We can also upload files and photos here, and in the settings you will find some Codex settings here. So these are general settings like language detection, enter to send prompts, and follow up behavior. So these are the options we can explore in here. And configuration, there is not much in configuration. And personalization, we can also instruct some behaviors, or we can pre-instruct some instructions before Codex calling model. So I have instructed some instruction here which we can add. And enable memories, we can enable memories, and skip tool assist chats. So these are options. And we can also reset memories from here. And then we can also connect MCP servers, plugins, and hooks. We will explore how we can connect MCP server with this in upcoming videos. Let's see how we can use Codex. Let's add something in this file we have created with Copilot. Let's add a put method here. So I just mentioned that I need put method in this file with some updates. So it has identified the app.py file in src folder. So it will ask some questions. Do you want to run this command? So I will just say yes. So it is adding the code. So this is the put method. It has updated. And this is the instruction I have given in the personalization section. Like whenever you do update in this code, update in any code, you will have to add this comment, like date and time comment with this end. So these are the instruction you can use. So it will help and it will easy the task. So Codex now added this code like put method. I have just asked to add the put method API, and then it has added with this instruction. So this is the Codex, and this is how we can use Copilot and Codex. So this is the video, guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.